I'm John Guttag. I'm a professor of electrical engineering and computer science, mostly computer science at MIT. I have been at MIT for a long time, taught a lot of different things, but my most satisfying teaching experience has been introductory computer science, programming, and data science. Uh, the book is now in its third edition. It was based upon a fairly complicated experience that I think in 2004, I taught a brand new introductory computer science course to a whopping 5 students enrolled for the class. And my idea was to approach it not from the point of view of a computer scientist, but from the point of view of someone who might want to use computing to do something else. And at the time, that was a different introductory course, certainly for our department.